skit, Kate has a little run-in with the paparazzi. Watch what happens.
Kate Gosselin, go. Kate, how was grocery shopping? What'd you buy?
Yeah, where's your pussy, Kate?
Are you dating anybody?
Seriously, I'm exhausted. Leave me alone and stop taking pictures.
Just a couple more, Kate. Just a couple more.
Hey, what did Mommy just say?
What?
I asked you to stop taking pictures, and you continued.
Okay, we're not your kids, ma'am.
Yeah, we're not part of your plus eight.
Don't talk back to your mother.
Okay, you're not our mom, all right?
That is it. You're on timeout, mister. Go to your room.
What? Go to my room. We're in the middle of a parking lot.
Then go to your car. No radio, no cell phone. Sit there and think about what you just did. March.
When can I come out?
When you're ready to behave.
Why are you doing what she says?
Dude, she reminds me of my mom. She's got weird mom powers. I feel obligated.
What are you doing? Guys! Dude, you're hitting into the camera, dude.
Will you help Mommy with these groceries?
Okay.
What did you have for breakfast?
I don't know. Cinnamon roll, whatever. You know.
Come here.
Okay, you know what? Don't. Because that's That's gross. That's gross. No. I am a grown man. All right, what's happening? I'm out. Wait, you Chet, where you going?
Bitch is freaking me out. She thinks that I'm her kid. She thinks that everybody is her kid.
Kate, a few more.
Come on, let's go.
What are
Time
you doing?
to go.
Why are you taking
In the car.
No, why are you taking in this car?
We have to go get your sisters from school.
No, we do not. I am not one of your children. The car seat hurt. I should have gone. Why am I
You want to
here?
hold your doggy, man?
No, I do not.
It's actually pretty funny, but at the same time, I find myself sad watching that.